Hey guys, thank you for joining me. Welcome back. So today I'm going to make a beautiful holiday centerpiece for your Christmas table or for any holiday that you celebrate. It's not really Christmas themed, but you can use it for any holiday in case you don't celebrate Christmas. But anyway, so I have a myriad of things out in front of me, and I'm going to use some of these things that you see before me, but not everything. I have so much stuff off to the side that I'm going to be pulling in while I'm creating this DIY. So that first small candy dish you saw, I picked that up from my discount store for $1.50. And I picked up this clear plate from the Dollar Tree, as well as this 7-inch cylinder vase. So these are my main components for today's video. I hope you all are doing well today. And like I always say, I do appreciate you watching. So guys, before I get started, if you hear any humming sound in the background, that is the landscapers blowing the fallen leaves and cleaning them up. So it is making a humming sound in the background. So I've already cleaned all of the dishes. I'm going to wipe down the candy dish in the back because I've decided I'm going to use this as a riser today for our plate. And honestly, guys, I think I was winging this part of the project. I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to use that smaller candy dish for, but now it's coming to me that I'm going to adhere this to the underside of the plate, and then I'm just going to let that dry overnight. So I'm going to use a little bit of my Aleene's, the Ultimate. This is my permanent adhesive. When I use permanent adhesive, I'm using this. So to make sure I create enough pressure, I am going to put a weight on top of it. So I'm going to place this brown cloth on top, and then I'm going to place a 3-pound weight on top. And this is a ankle weight I'm going to be using. So the sand inside is distributed across the length of the plate. So right here, I have some greenery that I had left from projects from years ago. I bought a big bag of this about 3 years ago from Amazon, and I still have so much left over. I just clip off a few pieces at a time. And what I'm going to do today is just place them in this bowl, and I'm going to use my hairspray as glue to allow some of the silver glitter that I'm going to sprinkle on top to adhere. And this is the Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray. Okay guys, so it's the next day. I did get distracted from the project, so it's the next day, and I just wanted to show you that the candy dish that we adhered to the plate is completely dry, and I wanted you to see how it looked. It looks so beautiful just as it is. I'm going to be using this wired greenery. I think I got this from my craft store. They do have this available in Michael's and in Hobby Lobby, and you can also find it at Walmart, and you can find it on Amazon. I've sectioned off a large piece of it, and I'm going to twist it into place. What I'm going to do is create a base for the top of the plate. I'm going to twist this into place, and then I'm going to put it on top of the plate and make sure that it fits nice and properly around the outer edge of the plate. And to hold it down, I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue. Okay, so now that's nice and set. So now what I'm going to do is repeat the process. I'm going to place the second bit of the greenery in the inside just to make it look nice and full. I want to have enough space available for our cylinder vase. So now all the greenery that I glittered, that's all dry, and I'm going to hot glue that on top. I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue to adhere the cylinder vase to the center. So now guys, here is some more Christmas items that I had stored away. I just pulled out a few things. So right now I'm just going to create a decorative look with all these pieces. So I'm going to get started. So the white and silver glittered balls, I picked that up from my craft store. So I can't find my tall real flame candles, so I'm going to be using electronic candle today just to illustrate how beautiful this looks with the candle inside. And guys, this came out really, really nice. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. And guys, you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.